Hey everyone, Tom Parmentier here with MaxHousePrice, here at our latest project in Burke, Virginia, in Burke Station Square. Come on in, let's take a look. So we're really excited about this project. We're going to be completely remodeling the interior. So as you come inside, you see carpet and some old hardwood flooring. All of this is going to be pulled out and replaced. We're going to be putting in hardwood flooring throughout this entire home. Come in here into the room here in the front. Got great space here. We're going to be painting everything, cleaning up everything in here. As we come back to the dining room, we have the kitchen over to the side here. We're going to be opening up a wall to really open up this space and let some light in. So as you guys take a look in here, we're going to be moving this wall out on the side here. So this is going to be coming back. We're going to knock this wall out and everything's going to be completely brand new in here. You're going to have awesome granite, white shaker cabinets, brand new appliances, backsplash, just completely top to bottom remodeling. Take a look at this yard out here, guys. It's awesome. So we come out back here. Again, we just have an amazing yard out here. Complete privacy. Can't wait till all the leaves come in. It's going to be nice and beautiful back here. We're just going to be doing a lot of power washing out here, power washing the house and this deck. We already have composite decking here, but great space out here. Let's come take a look at the rest of the house. As we come through here, we have a living room right here and a fireplace. We're going to be painting this, replacing the face of this. We're going to be taking down all of this paneling, putting in a new drywall, and if we take a look at this wall over here, what we plan to do to just get some light and kind of open up into the kitchen, we're going to be taking most of this wall down and knocking this out and then relocating this laundry room that we have around the side here and bringing this into the basement. So we'll have some nice space here to really open this up. So let's take a look downstairs in the basement real quick. This basement's completely unfinished. So it's a blank slate. So as we take a look down here, we're going to be moving the laundry room down to here just to really give us some more space and utilize this area down here. We already have great systems within the house here, but what we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting in a bathroom, full bathroom down here, and then we're going to have a bedroom as well. As you can see, we already have egress down here, so we'll have a 5th bedroom in this house. So we have 4 bedrooms and 2 baths upstairs. So let's go take a look upstairs real quick. And everything up here is going to be replaced. All new fixtures, everything that you see. We have a half bath right here on the main level. This is going to be completely redone from top to bottom. Coming in upstairs, we're going to be replacing all of this railing. Again, there's going to be nice hardwood floors coming all the way up these steps. And then as we come upstairs, we have 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths upstairs. Really good sized bedrooms in here. So we're just going to be putting in hardwood, painting everything, cleaning everything up, replacing the doors, new hardware, new fixtures. We have a full bath right here. This is going to be all redone, so really excited to see how this looks and just kind of bring this up to modern finishes. Again, two additional bedrooms, just new doors, new paint, all hardwood floors, new doors. We got an additional bedroom right here, really good size. And then as we come across over here onto the other side to the master bedroom, same thing here, but then we're gonna work within this space. So if you take a look around here, you can see that we have a shower over here, and some of this has already been demoed out. So we're gonna be moving this wall out right here and really opening this up and putting in a double vanity, and then you have a walk-in closet right through here. So we look forward to sharing everything with you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to send us a message or visit us on the web at maxhouseprice.com. Thanks so much.